new podcast, Let's Talk Design, and here we are doing the second episode of it. So, what do you have today?
So today we are going to review the products on the basis of form and function.
Okay.
So this is the main theme. Like let's discuss on the form and function basis on the basis of products that we are going to review.
So, we are going to see different products. Shubham has got around 5 products. I have got 2 or 3 products, and we are going to reveal it to each other, and then we both will critique it on the basis of form and function.
Nice.
Okay.
So Rajat, let's start with your product.
My product. Okay. Let's start with this one. What do you conceive, or what is your views or critique about it?
So we are considering what, this kettle or this hot pot? Let's consider one.
Okay.
Kettle.
Let's consider a kettle.
Kettle.
Okay.
So, okay, I'll tell my review first. Okay. So, like I'm not reviewing on just on a particular this kettle.
Okay.
Like when you say a kettle and we have to analyze a kettle on the basis of form and function, I'm assuming a general kettle.
Okay.
If I have to buy any kettle.
Fine.
So if I have to buy any kettle, so my first priority will be functionality, I guess, because of the weight and the amount of water or tea, anything that can hold. And so my first priority will be function, I guess, and whether it's looking very Egyptian or very Gothic or very Indian,
Okay.
that will be my second priority in the case of kettle.
Okay.
But that will also vary if it is for me or it is for my guest.
Yeah, true.
Maybe if it's for guest purpose, maybe then I'll show my
Richness.
Chinese or Italian version of cutlery set. Maybe.
Maybe a porcelain one.
Porcelain one, yes.
A nice one.
Like the way, like what we saw in Goa, remember?
Yeah.
That whole the ceramic
Yeah.
pots and the kettle thing, and they made a.
Yes.
What is your take?
Here, this kettle is made out of wrought iron. I'm forgetting it, but the material is wrought iron and not ceramic. And I think, apart from functionality, he has really worked nicely on the aesthetic part of it.
Right now, what I can see is looking very modern and clean. But what is your take? Like, if you visit any mall, you have to buy a kettle.
Yeah.
So, what will be your first priority in kettle?
If I usually don't
Buy
use kettle, we directly drink it through normal containers.
Maybe
but
it's not for your purpose, for your family purpose.
Yeah.
Then
If I'm buying it, it will be obviously a showpiece. So first I'll go for form or aesthetic part of it, and then secondary is functionality.
Okay.
Because maybe you can, if you're using it to get hot milk or hot water or maybe tea, you can do it in some other container, then you can pour it in this, and then you can serve it.
maybe like initially I said functionality matters more, but maybe after the discussion, and even I'm imagining if I have to buy a kettle for my mom, so maybe I'll just think about the form part, the patterns and the aesthetic part. Now I'm not considering it for myself. If I have to buy a kettle for my family or for my mom, or whether she has to show it to the guest and other people, so maybe that Japanese design and Chinese design will
Functionality also, form also matters.
and maybe then forms will be like first priority then.
Yeah.
Because now I'm thinking from a different point of view.
Different point.
Certainly.
Yeah.
So
apart, like, if you think from user perspective,
yes.
so things change. But if you think it from your own perspective, obviously, we won't go for such a kettle.
Even whenever I see any kettle, suddenly a paintings come in my mind. And paintings always talks about aesthetic and the color palette and the lighting is coming on the kettle. So that is also a factor. the associations with the product.
Hmm.
So maybe in the case of kettle has always shown the aesthetic part, and
That curvy
that
body.
curved body, and so maybe
True.
in the case of kettle, aesthetic.
I think in whole cutlery,
Whole
aesthetics play an important role
Even
rather than functionality.
Even in my childhood, when we go for any wedding and all, my mom used to gift cutlery set only.
Yeah. We gift it, or even we save our China balls and
China was for the guest purpose only. Yeah.
China cutlery just for the special occasions.
Special. So maybe ultimately we can say China. I mean, the cutlery set is more of aesthetic and less of a functionality.
True.
So now it's my turn.
Yeah.
To show it. Okay. So my next product is comb. What do you think? Any comb.
Comb. Okay. Comb again. Functionality. Yeah, it should comb our hair nicely. A few people have tangled hair, so they go for a bigger spaced tooth one.
Even I think comb is entirely designed for functional point of view. I mean, it doesn't matter whether it's from plastic or different material or the handling.
Initially, we used to have wooden,
Yes.
What we call combs, but then we switched to plastic. Even though we know that plastic is harmful for earth, still we use it.
But wooden is not much functional. Like I tried once.
Okay.
But it's not
You don't get that precision.
and the comb feel the comb feel. I mean,
The comb we feel. Okay.
I mean, yeah, plastic is better. I mean, I used a wooden comb, but it was not working. So even for me, I mean, in the case of comb, I mean, if it's not working and it's very good, I mean, there's no point.
Yeah. So comb looks doesn't matter.
Yes.
It's working matters. Yeah. True.
Next. Yours.
Next one is. Do you know what product is this?
I don't know.
You don't know it.
What is this?
Guess just from its appearance.
Lamp, light, some
No,
light,
it's not a light.
some holder.
What will it hold?
I don't know.
It's a bladeless fan.
Bladeless fan.
Yeah. It's just a table fan,
Okay.
but it doesn't have blades, so it doesn't make noise. So it's noiseless, bladeless fan.
But from where the air comes?
Air comes from inside of it.
But how the air is generated?
That's all engineering part. You have to tell about functionality or the form. What matters here?
I don't know. I haven't used this. I have no experience of.
But how does it look?
I mean, it looks amazing. It looks very modern and clean design.
Clean.
Obviously.
Aesthetically, so pleasing, right?
Yes, it's pleasing. It looks very contemporary, no doubt. But I can't say anything about the functional part. I mean, the amount of air and the freshness of air. Like you compare the air of cooler and AC. So
it's kind of like AC only, and it is giving sufficient flow. It's not like our normal fan, but the airflow is nice.
Okay, but personally, I don't think we can't. I mean, we can't conclude anything on this because we don't have a practical experience with this fan.
Okay, there are YouTube videos, we can go through it.
Okay.
But some other time, maybe. Then let's skip this.
This for some.
I think it has both the functionality and form, both are nice, according to me. It has got Red Dot award also.
Okay.
So I guess it's a balanced product in some sense.
I just can't say because I haven't used it. Or I don't have any practical experience.
Okay.
That's why I can't. Well, obviously it's looks very good, but I don't know the functionality.
Okay. let's move
So
on
we,
to the next one.
let's hold this topic, this
Okay,
product.
okay. We'll have a
Another session maybe.
proper episode on Dyson products only.
True.
Most of his products are like this.
Okay.
He has a vacuum cleaner which looks like a space gun,
Okay.
and then different products he has. We'll have a different
Session.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's start with the next one.
So my next product is the fourth one, which is Vespa.
Vespa.
What do you think? What is your take on Vespa?
I find it really nice. Aesthetic wise, it's like it's giving that temporary, like what we can say, the old
Yes.
or contemporary
The mix of
mix of old and new,
Contemporary
new age. Yeah,
design.
yeah.
even I feel like the Vespa has been designed like first priority is the form and the aesthetic and the vibe, basically the storytelling part.
Yeah, true.
Vespa is telling a story.
Story.
Like those ancient scooters, and now they are just modifying it in a way that you can use it in a contemporary world as well.
True.
Even the color palette, even I've seen the color palette, like the pastel sky blue,
It's really nice.
or these like pista green color, or sometimes the emerald green color,
Yeah.
or very light orange. Even the color palette is like very nicely
Very
defined.
nicely done. And it vibes with the new generation.
New generation, yes.
The colors vibe with the new generation.
True.
And I think back of the mind when we are growing, we have always watched a normal scooter, Bajaj scooter.
True.
So back of the mind we have that scooter in our mind,
True.
but we don't want its color or its that ruggedness or
Khak,
something.
khak, khak, the sound also, yes.
Sound also. But we want it. We want something shiny, metallic finish.
True.
So the finish of this Vespa gives the feeling of both.
It works like a very nostalgic experience, basically.
Yeah. And in the market segment, if you see Activa, Pleasure, or Dio, XS, none of those give the same feeling as Vespa.
But Vespa is costly.
Yeah,
it's
Vespa
like
is
1,25,000
Yeah,
or
yeah.
30, I guess.
Yeah, it's a bit costly.
And those are 70, 80, I guess.
Yeah. But mileage is also good
Okay.
overall compared to other vehicles.
Even in like if you're asking personally, so the look is so good. So like I mean, it also matters individual to individual. Like if you want to have a nostalgic experience, so maybe if that kind of audience will prefer Vespa over the functionality part.
Yeah,
I mean,
true.
even the mileage and the other thing, the functionality part is not as good as the XS or maybe Activa, but still, I mean, the form and the aesthetic is so good that people might buy it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like it's showing a personality as well.
personality, yeah.
I mean, in the case of Vespa, it's not just about a functional part that you have to go from one place to another. I mean, it's like some people want Royal Enfield. It's like very specific. I want that Bullet Raja feel that I want to go Ladakh and all. Same thing. There are some people who are very specific. I want Vespa kind of thing
Vespa.
because it shows my personality here.
True.
That kind of thing.
Yeah.
So in the case of Vespa, it's so much about humanistic approach is involved, I guess.
So most of the Vespa people you will find are in new generation only,
Yes,
and
yes.
they know what they want. That's it. Like they have a particular segment,
Yes.
which is nice. If you go for a mid-range, normal, average person, he will go for a Activa or a Pleasure.
Yes.
But if you go for some younger dudes, so they will go for a Vespa.
Even like in the case of Scissor, a Scissor can't express my personality.
Yeah.
But a Vespa can express my personality. Even the case of Spoon, maybe. A spoon, maybe normal steel spoon, can't express my personality. Or person can't analyze or understand, oh, this person belongs to this or belongs to
I
this
think
place.
there's one more point. Like you don't take scissors everywhere and show it to people, but you
That's
take
also-
your
Vespa
vehicle
everywhere.
everywhere.
Vespa is visible, yes, that's also
So
another.
people also look at you and
Yes.
judge you on what things you do or what things
Nice point.
belongs to you. So
Spoon and scissor is very of a personal use,
Personal.
and Vespa is like a like
Yeah.
everyone can see, and
Yeah.
yes, definitely.
So it's a status symbol.
Yes,
What you
it's
can
a
say.
status symbol as well. So
Yeah.
yes, definitely. The Vespa will come under form category.
True, true.
Next, your product
Next product is.
shoes.
Do you know the shoes?
I don't know the specific model of the shoes, but
Yeezy.
easy.
Yeah.
Achha, this is easy.
Yeah.
Yes.
I just have one picture of it.
Okay.
So, what do you think?
Like recently, like last 6 months, I'm a big fan of Yeezy.
Yeezy. Okay.
I mean the color palette, this very pastel color palette and the thick sole. I mean I'm a big fan of Yeezy. So I don't know. I mean it's very costly. It's
Yeah.
1 lakh or something. Like
And Kanye West woke up and he
Yeah.
called his designer.
Yes.
He was like, let's design a shoe. And he made
Yeah.
3-4 shoes and
True.
it got hit in market. Maybe
Sure.
he has so much fandom or
Ah.
fan following, you can say. So that might have hyped the sale.
but I was not knowing who
Okay.
designed Yeezy. Still I was a very big fan.
Okay. Why do you think
Especially
it's
the
a product for you?
Uh, first thing is the color palette.
Mm-hmm.
The way color palette and especially the design of sole, the sole part.
Mm-hmm.
That's very unique and
It's unique. Yeah.
I mean it has a very new and contemporary vibe and very sometimes it gives very like some color palette gives very futuristic vibe as well, not just contemporary. It shows it's ahead of its time. I mean this is the future. I feel, I can say.
Yeah, true.
So I mean I don't know the functionality but how much it's comfortable, but still I would like to buy Yeezy.
Okay.
That's for sure. Yeezy
Yeah,
is
that's-
very. I mean it's like that's also showing a personality.
Personality, true. That curves and that colors are really different from other normal shoes which are coming into market.
True.
And I think that 3D form,
3D form.
it's a bit different.
Yes. Even it gives a more 3D structure than compared to the other shoes. I mean it's not very bulky, but I mean it's not like a bulk like Woodland shoe. I don't like that kind of bulk.
Okay. They are rigid or
Very rigid and
what do we call it? Rugged.
very rugged. And like a person who is riding Royal Enfield, it's like they might buy a Woodland shoes as well.
Yeah.
The thick soles,
Sure.
maybe.
Or maybe you trek
Maybe I
in
don't.
mountains,
Yes.
so you'll buy a nice rugged shoes.
But Yeezy is like very aesthetic.
Mm-hmm. Few people find it really ugly, but few people like it like hell, and they're like, "Wow, what is this?" But I was not that much pleased with the design,
Okay.
if you say,
Okay.
because I like straight lines, and
See,
maybe it's my perspective, but.
And there's one thing, showing your personal opinion. That's the one thing, and saying something about a form thing.
Design.
I mean, it's a
Okay,
very general form.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, general the form is good or not, the aesthetic
Yeah.
or the color palette.
Generally,
overall-
it's appealing, and
Yes.
people like to wear it because it's different.
Yes.
It's unique. So,
Even when I was searching the first model, and like one of the model was of 1 lakh. Even I was like in my mind, I started collecting money. So, like one day I have to buy this 1 lakh shoe.
true. There's a white color one in this, and it looks really nice. It feels like you are walking on a cloud, or a cloud is tied to your
Okay.
legs. So that feeling you get.
Even just from the visuals only you can see it's very lightweight.
Yeah. Soft curves
Soft.
and
It's not like heavy and
those
down.
contours are like cloud on
Cloudy. It's very like
So maybe that can be one thing.
yes. Like how can one sense, like one visual sense, can help in understanding the other sense, which is a sense of feeling, where it's very comfortable and light-hearted. Just from the visuals only, we understand that's very light-hearted.
Even Nike, have you seen Nike Air Max?
Yes, absolutely.
They have air inside it.
Yes.
So you can transfer. It's a transparent plastic, and you can see through it. So it feels like you are wearing air.
Okay.
Just like a chips packet. So it feels also great, but it looks also great.
Okay. So again, I think
Again,
Yeezy
yeah.
is of more of a functionality. Oh, sorry, form
Form,
and aesthetic, more of a functionality.
Yeah, I don't think any runner will buy this and run on it
Maybe yes. I
for
don't think
sure. But for its
Maybe-
unique look, you will buy it.
Maybe
People
right.
will buy
I
it.
mean, currently I'm seeing that. I mean, especially the celebrities.
Hmm.
I mean, they are in the suit. I mean, they are wearing t-shirt and the a blazer and pant, and they are wearing Yeezys, sports shoes. Now it's the culture.
Yeah.
I mean, there was a time when people are wearing formal shoes,
Formal shoes.
for the suit, but now they're wearing sports shoe and Yeezy shoes with blazers and pant and all.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Everything
maybe,
is getting cross-fitted.
and maybe a more of a sport person is more of a like a party wear or a kind of where you want to show off or something.
Yeah, mostly show off.
Okay, so next product.
Yeah.
The next is not a product, but still it has form and functionality, and is strawberry. I don't know. I feel like strawberry is overrated because what do you think first? Here functionality will be the taste part basically,
Yeah.
and
True.
the form it is.
Strawberry has a taste.
But I feel like, I mean, it looks so beautiful. And when you compare the taste, of the,
okay.
and when beauty wise so beautiful, but it doesn't match with the taste. I mean, the way strawberries has been shown in like fairy world and the Disney Channel visuals and the strawberry shake and all. I mean, visually it's more aesthetic and it's
Yeah,
more
true.
hyped compared to the
I
taste
think
wise.
The color and the texture of the strawberry, it attracts you.
True.
But if you open it and eat it, that will be
I mean, it's like normal. I mean,
No.
it's fine. It's
maybe.
fine.
But there are people who like strawberry much, so their functionality.
I mean,
part they
just
have.
see, think mango.
Hmm.
The mango taste wise is like so powerful, so good.
So, okay.
And the even the form and the green color or the yellow color. I mean, if you compare the form of the aesthetic of the mango, I mean, strawberry has more aesthetic than the mangoes visually.
Okay.
But taste wise, mango is awesome,
Ah.
and compared to the strawberries, you see this
I
mismatch.
don't know. It's on like personal preference, I believe. Maybe.
No, you see, let's take an example of lychee.
Hmm.
The cover of lychee has spikes,
Hmm.
like red, slight sometimes red, a kind of faded red, maroon,
Yeah.
pink.
And
So-
then you have to open it.
Yes.
And then eat it.
So in the case of lychee, what do you think?
Lychee. I don't like it that much.
Okay.
So,
But if you have to compare the form of the lychee,
Form.
the texture and the taste, which wins? Which one wins?
obviously, taste will.
Taste, na?
Yeah.
Ah, see, so in the case of lychee,
Yeah.
so the structure is like not very much
Not
inviting.
very.
It's like spiky and all, but the taste is comparatively better than the form. Exactly in the case of strawberry,
It's opposite.
if the form is very much inviting, the taste is like fine.
Okay.
In that case,
In that case, we can do, but we can't compare mango and
lychee, yeah.
lychee or strawberry. Okay, we can compare its form versus its function.
Yes.
So yeah, true. If you go for mango,
Yes.
so outer it will look like yellow with
Green,
black
or green
green
kind of.
dots on
Yes.
it. Yeah.
But even the
Yeah, when you
species.
cut open it and you eat it, you feel so fresh, cold.
Yes,
Ooh.
even the photography of mango, like yellow background and then yellow
Most
slices.
of the mangoes are not shown from outside; they are shown
And also from inside. Yes, that's what I'm
They
saying.
will
Yes.
cut it and
Cut-
then open it.
Yes.
Even
The-
Katrina carefully.
Yes,
let go.
yes, even all mango ads, all the mango or the slice ad, so the cut part and the juice part, that has more aesthetic than the outer structure.
Outer structure, true.
But in the case of strawberry, It
It's
has
the outer part.
structure which is more dominant.
No one shows what's inside.
I mean, if you see all the photography, it's all from outside. See,
True.
all good photographies are from outside, coming from this fairyland baskets.
If you see kiwi, everyone will cut the kiwi and show the inside part.
part. Yes.
That
yes.
inside part has so good contrast and
Even in
colors
the
also.
even in the case of olive,
Olive, yeah.
and jalapeno.
Hmm.
What in pizzas? I haven't seen any photography of the whole olive or the jalapeno. Always in the cut section.
Yeah, true.
Same in the case of. Have you tried dragon fruit?
Yeah, I have seen. I didn't try till now.
Okay, so dragon fruit. In the case of dragon fruit, the form is very inviting. It's like some thread is
It's
coming
like
from
a
here.
flower.
It's like a flower, the pink and the purple part.
Ah.
But when you eat, na, it's like fine.
Okay.
It's like form has hyped the
Okay. Inside part.
inside part. Like it's so good or so amazing. But when you eat, it's like very bland taste. Doesn't have a very particular taste as well. It's like
Okay.
very fine. So same in the case of strawberry. So form wise, it wins. It doesn't have a functionality much. So should we end?
Yeah.
I just have one more product. It's not a product. It's,
Taj Mahal.
what do you think?
Okay. Let us leave this one for our audience. What's that? Or you have some points to say, you can.
And what do you think? There is any functional purpose of Taj Mahal?
I don't think so. There's any functional. If you give same amount of area in Mumbai,
Yes.
then so many people will be living in the same structure.
I just feel like what you are saying is from a very practical point of view,
Practical and
like survival point of view. But if I see Taj Mahal is a symbol of love and hope, and basically, I mean, obviously the hope and love is coming from the structure and the white
Structure,
color and
yeah.
aesthetic part and all. But I don't know, should we consider the purpose of giving hope as a function of Taj Mahal?
Okay.
I mean, if I mean the understanding of love or the symbol of love, should we consider this as a function,
Function.
a emotional functional part of a Taj Mahal? So I'm confused in Taj Mahal whether this will come under the functional part or not. But obviously, aesthetic wise, it's like 10 on 10.
It's beautiful. True. So it can be, it's not from a design perspective, but from art perspective, you can say. It's a piece of art, you can say.
Yes.
And whatever you want to interpret, you will interpret out of it.
Yes. Yes,
It was all planned, it was all made.
sorry. Yes, let's keep Taj Mahal to the audience.
Yeah. So let us know what you guys think about Taj Mahal, functionality wise, form wise. Which is better, form wise or functionality?
And what do you think? Like serving a purpose of giving hope and a symbol of love will come under functionality, or this is also a part of form only? Just
Okay. So let us know in the comment section, and we'll wrap it up here today. Let's meet tomorrow with some new products, maybe, or some new topics. If you have any suggestions, any views, or even new topics with you, please let us know. Connect with us on Instagram and Facebook, also on YouTube now. Well, thank you for watching.